Marie-Antoine Carême was a pioneering chef and the father of haute cuisine. He revolutionized French cooking by systematizing recipes, refining sauces, and elevating pastry to an art form. He put the art in culinary arts. Carême was known for his elaborate, visually stunning dishes, including grand sculpted centerpieces made of food. He served royalty and worked for prominent figures like Napoleon, leaving a lasting impact on culinary techniques and especially presentation. Next we have Auguste Escoffier, was a legendary French chef, restaurateur, and culinary writer, often called the King of Chefs and Chef of Kings. He modernized and simplified French cuisine, transforming it into what is now known as haute cuisine. Escoffier is famous for organizing professional kitchens with the brigade system, a hierarchical structure still used today. He wrote several influential cookbooks, including Le Guide Culinaire, and created many classical dishes. Escoffier's work laid the foundation for modern French cooking and greatly influenced culinary practices worldwide. Next, we have Joël Robuchon, was a legendary French chef and restaurateur, often referred to as the chef of the century. He was one of the most decorated chefs in the world, holding a record 32 Michelin stars across his global restaurant empire at the time of his death. Robuchon was also known for his perfectionist approach to French cuisine, emphasizing simplicity, quality of ingredients, and precise technique. His signature dishes, such as his famous mashed potatoes, became iconic. Robuchon also pioneered the concept of atelier, a more casual, open kitchen dining experience which influenced the modern fine dining scene. Next, we have Thomas Keller, who is an acclaimed American chef, restaurateur, and cookbook author, renowned for his meticulous approach to French cuisine. Born in 1955, Keller is best known for his restaurants, including the French Laundry in Napa Valley, California, and Per Se in New York City, both of which have earned multiple Michelin stars. Keller is celebrated for his commitment to quality, technique, and innovation in the kitchen. He has won numerous awards, including multiple James Beard Foundation awards, and is considered one of the most influential chefs in the modern world today. His cookbooks, such as the French Laundry Cookbook, are highly regarded in the culinary community. Last but not least is Gordon Ramsay, a renowned British chef, restaurateur, television personality, and author, known for his fiery temper and high culinary standards. Born in 1966, Ramsay has built a global empire of Michelin-starred restaurants and popular TV shows, including Hell's Kitchen, MasterChef, Kitchen Nightmares. His culinary career began in the kitchens of famous chefs like Marco Pierre White and Guy Savoy. Ramsay is celebrated for his expertise in both British and French cuisine, and his restaurants have earned multiple Michelin stars. Beyond his culinary achievements, Ramsay is also a prolific author with several best-selling culinary books. Thanks for watching.